Prepare to be amazed. Hollywood, here we come. We are going to take the GoPro Hero 10 and go anamorphic. Let's do it. Hey, it's me, Steve WB, and welcome back to my channel. And today we are talking about the Skyreat Anamorphic lens for GoPro Hero 9 and GoPro Hero 10. What this is a true I guess, in my opinion, it's a true anamorphic lens. It goes right on the front of your GoPro Hero 9 or 10. And what it does is it gives you the Hollywood style anamorphic look. On bright light sources, you get a nice blue flare. It also gives you that extra wide cinematic look. It does make the image a little bit wider. What you need to remember is you will have to squeeze this footage in post whenever you put it on your computer, because it is going to kind of stretch it out a little bit. So when you put it in post, like I use DaVinci Resolve, I use the 1.25 setting for the anamorphic, and it squeezes it down and everything looks normal, and it gives you those black bars on top and bottom without you having to even add them, as long as your timeline is a 16:9. I think it looks really, really, really good. And another very important thing that this lens does is, it's in here, we're going to open it in just a second, so be patient. But a very important thing that this lens does too, that I haven't seen a lot of people mention, is it really improves the low light performance of your GoPro. Now, we're going to do a quick unboxing and an introduction to the lens, and then after that, we're going to check out some footage. When you're watching that footage, I want you to pay attention to the dark areas. We're going to do the side-by-sides of the regular lens and the anamorphic, and I want you to look at the dark areas, and you can see the difference in low light performance. So, without jabbering too much or delaying too much, let's go ahead and open this up. I'm going to show you how to install it, and then we're going to get into the footage. All right, and here it is, the Skyreat Anamorphic filter for GoPro Hero 9 and 10. Let's open it up and I'll show you what's inside. You get this nice little hard case with the record scratch cover. And, oh, there it is. And this is what you get: a cleaning cloth with no instructions, and the lens itself. The lens does have two rubber covers, and if you peel off the top cover, there is the lens itself, and as you can see, there is a blue reflection, like a blue tint to it. That is used, of course, to give you your blue streaks in your footage. This thing is made of all aluminum and glass, so it has a little heft to it, but it's really nice build quality, and for something that costs you around $70, it should be nice. Now, one thing that you need to keep in mind when you're using this, you got to use narrow or linear mode, because if you use wide mode, when you go side to side, you'll see the edge of the lens in your footage, and if you go super view, it just vignettes hard, so you don't want that in your footage. But let me show you real fast how you install this thing. You take your GoPro 10, you give your lens a twist, pop that off. Take this lens, you see you got your two metal rods. You put the metal rods like so, push and twist, and there you go. Your anamorphic lens is installed on your GoPro Hero 10, ready for fun. It does stick out quite a bit, and another very, very important note: once you install this lens, it is no longer waterproof. So do not take this underwater. I wouldn't even take it in the rain. So let's check out some footage real quick to see how this thing performs.
I was born up in the mountain, raised by an old grizzly bear. I was born up in the mountain, raised by an old grizzly bear. I was fed by Mother Nature, and I breathe fresh, clean, natural air. I rose up with the sunlight and the moon, she called me to sleep. I rose up with the sunlight and the moon, she called me to sleep. My dreams came by to guide me, but they were not mine to hold nor to keep.
Okay, so what did you guys think about the little B-roll footage of my lawnmower repair? As I like to say, it's not what you're shooting when you're doing a camera comparison, it's how the footage looks. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. And what did you think of the side-by-side? Did you pay attention to the low light performance? And what did you think about this lens and how it looked? Just drop your answer in the comment down below. Let me know what you thought. Let me know if it's something that you're interested in. And of course, there will be a link in the description that you can click and go purchase this from Amazon if you like. I'm Steve WB. I'm out.